So the next thing we want to do is go back to our blog, go back to our admin area, and we want to go back in to our settings and Simple Facebook Connect. So we left a few boxes unchecked before, which we're going to go ahead and check. Okay, so this one right here, this sidebar widgets, let's go ahead and check that. Let's come down, save changes. Now let's go up to appearance and click on widgets. Alright, somehow he's already in there. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to find all of the Simple Facebook Connect widgets have an SFC in parentheses after each one, so we know what we want is the Facebook fan box. So we come over here, let's click and drag, let's put it on the left sidebar. The theme I have is 3 column, so you've got your post in the middle and you've got a left and a right sidebar. So what we want to do here is basically what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to see on our page of our blog what's going on our Facebook page. So before we would write a post, it would automatically update to our Facebook fan page. Well, now we're going to have all the status updates, all the likes stream back to our blog from our Facebook page. Okay? So let's go in here, let's just title this the name of our Facebook page. So it's Profit Insiders. And then we can show the Facebook logo bar. I say why not? It's branding. We can show stream stories, absolutely. And then number of fans to show. This is the actual fans it's going to show on the box. Maybe we'll show, say 10 and save. Awesome. So then we come back to our blog. Cool. So if somebody's logged in here, all they need to do is be logged into their Facebook profile. I'm on my Facebook page right now, and that's why it's telling me to log back in. Most people are going to be logged into their Facebook profile here. So here we go. Profit Insiders, break free from fat. That was actually the post we just wrote. So we can see down here all the people that like our page. We can come in and like the page here, which is really awesome. So you can come in, people can come in, they can like the Profit Insiders page. They can click on here, it'll take us right back to our page. Awesome. So then if we came into Profit Insiders, let's come down here. So for this, I might say, if I was just doing a random post on this page, we just had a great webinar with SEO genius Jason Drone. So I might just say something like that, you know. Just had an awesome webinar with SEO genius Jason Drone. Join our VIP list for more information. Okay. And then I could post. Awesome. And then you come here, refresh. Awesome. So here it's a great way to integrate back with our blog. So if somebody just likes to come and read our articles, we may have they may spend more time on our blog than our Facebook page, and vice versa. So now we have both places we post basically pinging back to the other place and showing that content. So it really just, it doesn't get much better than this. I mean, this is fantastic.